Làm không rau rau. Chân mà. Dạ chị. Mấy rỉnh á. Hello. Good morning. Hello. 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 How are you? Hello. Hi.
你快活里，只有我才是直播打击的。
How are you?
直播打击，单头的那种吗？
玻璃上面。
哪种的？
刚从比那个道。
Hello.
Hello.
Good morning. Good morning.
Good morning.
This is Teacher Syra once again from 51 Talk. Welcome to our class today. How are you, Kevin?
干手机的。
How are you?
How are you?
I'm fine.
You're fine. Are you also happy? Are you happy?
Yes.
Yes, great. Well, Teacher Syra is also happy to see you today. Kevin, did you eat your breakfast? Did you eat your breakfast, Kevin?
Yes.
Yes. What did you have for breakfast? I eat.
Fine.
What did you eat for breakfast?
Yes.
Okay. Are you ready for our lesson?
Think so.
Are you ready?
Go.
Go. So listen to teacher. Look at me. Let's go and let's start. Kevin, let's listen, drag, and say. We have here basket for H, ha, 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 and okay, there, go. Drag it. Hat, pen, ham, and lemon. Wow, you did it, Kevin. Very good. Here's your 5 stars. Count with teacher. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5.
No, 5.
Yay! And not just that, Kevin. Here's your ta-da! Sandwich. Do you like sandwich?
Yes.
Yes, here's for you. Num 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 num. Yummy sandwich for Kevin. All right. Now, Kevin, what can you see in the picture?
Yes.
I can see.
I can see.
Who's this girl?
Go.
Cindy.
Sandy.
Yes, and who's this another girl?
Number girl. Number
Anna.
4. Anna.
Yes. Say, I can see Cindy
I can see Sandy
and Anna.
and Anna.
Very good. Now, Kevin, let us read the title of your lesson today.
You,
Let's have
you can see
let's have follow teacher Kevin. Let's have
I have
let's have
let's have
a pillow a pillow
a pillow
fight.
fight.
Yes, let's say it again. Let's have
Let's have
a pillow
a pillow
fight.
fight.
Great. And here is your 8 stars. 7, 8. Great. Now, before our lesson, Kevin, let us sing Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Okay. Now follow teacher. Look at teacher. Hickory Dickory Dock.
Tack, tack,
The mouse ran up the clock.
tack.
The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock.
Tack.
Yes, great. Now let's sing it together with the music. Listen and sing along.
Yes, yes.
Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Let's sing it again, Kevin. Hickory Dickory Dock. The mouse ran up the clock. The clock struck 1. The mouse ran down. Hickory Dickory Dock. Yay! Great! Did you like the song, Kevin? Do you like the song? You like it? Yes? Oh, what is
Yes.
that? Is that a watch?
Yes.
Oh, your watch is nice. Oh, I see. It's nice. Now, because you like the song, Kevin, here's your 10 stars, 9, and 10. Not just that, teacher will give you snack, and it's dumplings.
Dumpling.
Yes, do you like dumplings? You like dumplings, Kevin? You like dumplings?
Yeah.
These are for you. Num 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 num. Yummy. Now today, Kevin, we're going to learn new words. The first word to learn is, say it 3 times. Pajamas, pajamas, pajamas. Your turn. Very good. Now let us read the sentence, Kevin. I am wearing my monkey pajamas.
Bananas.
What's this, Kevin?
Bananas.
Yes, very good. Do you have pajamas, Kevin?
Yes.
Wow. What's the color of your pajamas?
Yes.
Yes, okay. Now, the next word we have, Kevin, is listen carefully. Say it 3 times. Pillow, pillow, pillow.
Ah. Hello. Hello. Hello.
Great. Now let's read the sentence. I have a
Hello.
I have a white
I have a white
pillow.
yellow
Pillow.
tail.
Great. Look at this, Kevin. This is a pillow. Do you have a pillow, Kevin? Do you have a pillow?
Yes.
Yes. Look, I have a pillow.
How do we do some? Yes.
My pillow is Spider-Man. I have a pillow.
No.
Pillow.
Hello.
Pillow.
Hello.
Yes. Great, Kevin. Now, another word we learn is
Sleep, sleep, sleep.
great. Look at Cindy. Cindy is sleeping.
Sleep and sleeping.
Great. Now, Kevin, we're done with the words and it's game time. Let's play games. Kevin, listen, repeat, and guess.
Yes, yes,
What's
stop.
this, Kevin? What's this? Pajamas.
Pajamas.
How about this? Pillow.
Yellow.
And this? Sleep.
Sleeper.
Sleep.
Sleeper.
Okay, great. Now let's close the cards, Kevin. What is on the first card? Can you guess what's on the card? First card. What is it? It's click.
Great. Yeah.
What's that, Kevin?
Yeah, it's a dog.
Sleep.
Sleep.
Say it again. Sleep.
Chest candle sleeper.
Yes, very good, Kevin. How about picture 2? What is on picture 2? Or card 2? Click it.
Click it.
Click.
Click. Click.
There. What is it?
It's
Pajamas.
Pajamas.
Very good. And the third card is click, click,
Click.
click. The third card, click. What's that?
Board.
Pillow.
Pillow.
Very good. Pillow. And there you have it. Now, Kevin, let's look and say, what is this? Pa,
Pillow.
pajamas. Say it again, pajamas.
Pajamas.
Very good. How about this? Pillow.
Pillow.
Great. And this? Sleep.
Slipper.
Pillow. This one.
Pillow.
Sleep.
Sleeper.
Sleep.
Sleeper.
Great. Yay! Well done, Kevin. You now have 26 stars. Now, Kevin, let's talk.
Oh, yeah.
I really like your pajamas.
Your pajamas.
They are my favorite
my family
tiger pajamas.
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 Good. I will put on
Good around
my monkey
my monkey
pajamas.
pajamas.
Cool.
Woo!
Good. Let's have
Let's have
a pillow fight.
a pillow fight.
Let's jump on.
The
Let's jump on.
Let's jump on the deck.
Very good, Kevin. You can read well. Excellent. Wow. Now you have 30 stars, and not just that, teacher will give Kevin a sandwich. Num 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 num. Yummy sandwich for Kevin. Are you tired?
Are you tired?
Yes.
Yes.
It's time
It's time.
to go to sleep.
Yes, it's time and go to sleep.
Yes, sleep. Look at this, Kevin. They are sleeping. Oh, Kevin is sleeping. Okay. There you got it. And that's the end of the talking part. Oh, wake up, Kevin. Wake up. There. It's game time again. Let's play. play game. Kevin, let's do and say. Follow teacher. I will
I will
put on
put on
my monkey pajamas. It's time.
to
It's time to go to sleep. Let's say it again. I will
fill in my
monkey
just
pajamas.
my monkey pajamas are monkey shoes
It's time to
and time to go
go
to
sleep.
sleep.
Yay! Great job, Kevin! You can read very
老师，你们就这么走了，然后又进来了。
Hello?
Hello.
Okay, there. Very good, Kevin. Excellent. Now let's look, do, and say. Let's spin. Stop. Have lunch. Say, it's time to
It's time to how much
have lunch.
and that to how much.
Very good. Now let's spin some more. Stop. It's time to
Start up.
get up. It's time to get up.
It's out.
Get up.
Oh.
It's time to get up. It's time to get up.
It's time to it's hard.
Get up. Okay, let's spin some more. Stop. It's time to wash my face. Wash my face. Good.
What's my face? No.
It's time to sleep. It's time to sleep.
Sleep.
Great. Wow, Kevin now has 75 stars. That's really amazing. Now, Kevin, let's say it's 9 o'clock.
It's a night of clouds.
It's time to go to bed.
It's just got a bag.
I will put on my pajamas.
Let's out of pajamas.
Very good. Kevin, these are the keywords you learned today. What are these words, Kevin? Pajamas,
Pajamas.
pillow,
Pillows.
sleep.
Sleep.
Very good. And you also learn these key sentences. I will put on.
Monkey down
It's time
to dance a song
to sleep.
to sleep.
Great! Here's your 79 and 80 stars. Yay! Congratulations, Kevin. And that's the end of our lesson for today, Kevin. This is Teacher Syra. I hope you learned and you had fun. See you next time, Kevin. Goodbye. Thank you.
Bye.
Have a great day.